teacher. So without further ado, let us start the drama that we have prepared. Tenzin, she is 14 years old and she needs to go to school today.
It's such a great morning. Let me get up and get something to eat. Good morning, Mother. What do we have for breakfast today? I have made egg, bread and oats. You can find them on the table. Oh, so boring. Bread, egg and oats. I don't want to eat bread, egg and oats. And milk is for children. Not so such things. If you want, you can eat peanut butter and jam with your bread. Go and check the fridge.
As Tenzin steps towards the fridge and she opened it.
Wow, a bottle of soft drinks and leftover pizza and chips that I ordered yesterday, and vegetables and fruits. Mom, I will eat pizza and chips and I don't eat milk.
If you eat junk food daily, you will become fat. I'm sure one day you will become sick.
Don't worry, Mother. Pizza has lots of nutrients. Don't you, Pizza?
Yes, Tenzin. I am filled with cheese and I make a bread too. But mostly cheese. You get some fine wages on me. But cheese is all I am good at. Don't you worry. Eat me.
Yes, Tenzin, you should not listen to your mother. Look at me, I'm high in calories. I'm crispy and tasty. People like me and eat me when watching movies. I'm light and delicious. I'm made with oils and most popular food potatoes. You don't need anything else besides me.
Don't listen to them. I am the nutritious one. I give you your daily needs of protein, carbohydrate and iron. Eating me will make your stomach better, as I am filled with fibers and other minerals. I will give you energy and good for your brain and prevent heart disease.
Yes, well said, great. Tenzin, listen to your mother. That soft drink will not help you. It is filled with so much sugar that your body doesn't know what to do with it. Drink me instead. I will give you vitamin, minerals, calcium. I will make your bones, muscle and teeth strong. I'm a good source of protein. Don't you know, Tenzin? Nowadays people are saying that these soft drinks are used as a toilet cleaner.
Don't listen to them, Tenzin. I'm chill and fizzy, full of sugar. You also like the bubbles in your mouth. And I'm delicious and I'm sweet.
Maybe I should eat pizza and chips and drink Coke on my way to school.
Yes. Eat us. You will feel so much better. But to be honest, we can make you all sick. But who cares, right?
Wait. You can make me sick?
Lord is healthy.
Yes, they can make you sick, and moreover, they will not help you in your body development. If you want to grow strong, big and healthy, right, eat me. I am highly nutritious, rich source of protein, vitamin and omega-3. I am good for your eyes, help in growth and development, help you reduce heart disease, so eat me every day.
Yes, I want to grow big and strong, but I want to eat delicious food.
I know you like this junk food. It's delicious, but it's not good for your health. If you want to grow big and healthy, you need proper balanced diet.
I remember that my teacher and nurse madam told us about balanced diet. Let me try to remind myself.
As Tenzin thought about the balanced diet, she remembered the words told by her school nurse.
It's very important for a growing child to have proper balanced diet. You should have good intake of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, water and fiber. If you don't get enough of these nutrients, you might get sick from disease such as weakened bones, teeth, scurvy, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, heart disease and many more. So remember, a balanced diet should consist of all those nutrients that are needed for your body.
Well, now I know that my teacher and nurse madam told us about balanced diet, but I still love to eat junk food.
Tenzin's mother was frustrated, but she couldn't force her child to eat the meal she had prepared. She went to do some other work. When Tenzin went to school, she ate chips, pizza, and drank Coke on the way to school. This went on for a few days, and suddenly Tenzin's body started getting weak. Her organs started complaining.
Why is there so much fat on me? I cannot breathe properly as I cannot get oxygen and blood supply properly. That makes me weak. I am afraid that if my blood vessels become thick with fat, then I might get an heart attack because I am a heart. That comes to whole body.
Oh no, not again. He is eating chips and pizza again. I am already so blood and heavy pain so much. My acidity has increased so much. Doesn't it affect her?
Emergency, emergency. Tenzin needs to drink water. She is only drinking soft drinks. That is not helping me to do my work. If she doesn't drink water soon, then I will start making stones here and it will be a very big problem.
Emergency! My pathway is struck by undigested food. Something needs to be done quick or everything will start breaking down.
As Tenzin's body started panicking, Tenzin was also starting to see the effect of malnutrition and dehydration. She was not able to perform well in school. Her performance was going so down that eventually she became so sick that she had to visit the school nurse.
Nurse, I am not feeling well.
What happened, Tenzin? Where is paining?
My stomach is paining and hurting so much. I have headache and I'm so tired.
It seems you have been eating only pizza, chips, noodles. All these processed foods weaken your immune system. You are severely dehydrated and anemic. You are not drinking water and eating fruits and vegetables properly.
But I have eaten a lot and drink a lot of soft drinks.
Most of the food you have been eating is unhealthy and it's still not digested. Your body fat has highly increased due to eating so much sugary food. The reason your body is dehydrated is because you are drinking soft drinks instead of drinking water. So, soft drinks are not replacement of water. The reason your stomach is bloating and hurting is because all those undigested junk foods rotating in your stomach. If you don't eat nutritious food, your body gets start weakening and you might get very sick.
What should I do now?
You should eat normal homemade food. I'm sure I have told you about balanced diet, but it was not a suggestion. It is required so that you are healthy and your body gets all those nutrients that are needed. Drinking 1 to 2 liters of water is enough for a day. I have also recommended that drink water whenever you feel thirsty.
Thank you. Now I will make sure that I will avoid junk food because it makes me sick and eat healthy food because it makes me strong.
After a few days, Tenzin started eating healthy foods. Her body organs started to recover and they started singing with joy.
I am now free of so much fat. I can breathe properly and everything.
I don't blood nowadays and no more acidity.
I don't have to work so much as all the food are easily digestible.
Now finally I can work properly. I was afraid of that. Maybe I was going to make stones.
As Tenzin felt energetic and healthy, she was able to perform better in class. She enjoyed more during her playtime as she was not sick anymore.
Dear friends, I request all of you to eat healthy food is that the food contains all the nutrients. Eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables and food contains fibers. Eat food slowly and chew properly. Do not talk while eating. Eat food on time. Avoid food which contains many sugar, salt and unsaturated fats. Eating healthy food is not enough to keep your body strong and healthy. Take plenty of water every day to keep your body hydrated. Exercise daily for 10 to 40 minutes is necessary to strengthen your muscles and bones. Wash your hands properly. Get enough sleep, otherwise it affects to our physical and mental health.
Eat healthy